tell us about your background and how you arrived at this successful point in your career and your life.
Well, I'm a native Washingtonian. I'm a sixth generation Washingtonian and played every sport you can imagine growing up. I was a lunatic with respect to playing sports. I heard that was the story about you too, Bryan, but I won't get into that. At least right now. Maybe we could do that later. Played 4 sports in high school, and then got recruited to play football at William and Mary, and went to law school and business school at the University of Chicago, and went off and had a successful career in finance. And I got to the end of the beginning of my professional life, as I like to say, and took a step back and said, what do I want to do next? Do I want to continue doing what I'm doing now, or do I want to do something else? And the idea that kept coming to the fore as I really tried to exhaustively examine what I wanted to spend my time doing was the St. James. And so, maybe call it 10 years ago, set out to build a large, integrated, premium, comprehensive sports wellness and active entertainment platform, which is what we have.